current. So the first thing, what is electric current? It is the net movement of electric charges in a single direction. And current is going to be measured in what we would call amperes, or we normally call it just amps. You've probably heard of that term amps before, especially when you're talking about stereo systems. So the next thing we want to talk about is voltage. So voltage is a measure of the difference in electric charge from one place to another. So this voltage difference is going to be needed in order to cause electric current to flow. So that's going to be important when we talk about circuits. And voltage is going to be measured in volts. So that's pretty easy to remember. Okay, let's talk about resistance. So resistance is the tendency of a material to oppose the flow of electrons. So it's going to be what tries to slow down that flow of electrons. It changes the electrical energy into thermal energy and light. Resistance is measured in ohms. You can see the symbol for ohms there. That would be a Greek letter. You don't need to know the name of the Greek letter, just that would be the symbol. An example would be a light bulb. So how this works would be part of the circuit through the bulb is a thin wire called a filament, and the electrons are going to flow through the filament. They bump into the metal atoms that make up that filament. And when these collisions happen, some of the electrical energy of the electrons is converted into thermal energy. The metal filament eventually becomes hot enough to glow, which creates the light for our light bulb.